Alright, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can develop this arcade game in less than 5 minutes. You heard it right, in less than 5 minutes. You don't need to know any programming language. You don't have to have any experience of writing code. This is completely done by generative AI. All that you need to do is to get access to yourself with the OpenAI keys, which I'm going to show you how, and land into this page. The tool that I'm using in here is called MakeReal.tldraw.com. Just land into this page. You will right away, given a canvas where you just draw what you want, and then the tool develops it for yourself. Okay, let's just go ahead and create a canvas for that for us. So I'm going to create this canvas. This is where our game would live, and then obviously I need to show the bricks here. This is good. And then I need a paddle on the base. Let's go ahead and create the paddle here. It's too big, it's one size. And I need a ball that hits those blocks. And I need to make sure what my score is. So I'm gonna write score here. I need to mention what this is about. So let me point it here, cut it down till here and write it as ball. Do the same thing for the paddle. And I'll just say cell blocks of cell, maybe. I'll just say blocks, that should be good. And once I do that, I already copy pasted my OpenAI key. If you don't know where to get it, go to platform.openai.com. Within there, you will find API keys. Go ahead and create the API key. It will generate a secret key. Copy that and paste it here. Once you do that, just select everything in here and hit MakeReal. Once you do that, you can see things are getting created behind the scenes. Okay, I need to zoom out one more time. There you go. You can see things are getting created. Let's wait a couple more minutes or maybe a few seconds. It's making few API calls, getting the information from this wireframe to OpenAI and creating that for us. We can run this right away after it once it creates. It's not a static site. So there you go. You can see that in a new tab. I'll show you what I did. I just clicked on this 3 ellipses. You can open it on Replit. I opened it on new page, which basically you can see the score is being increased, and I'm changing my mouse here, which basically moves the location of the paddle. The ball is hitting the cell blocks and my score is getting increased. This is so awesome. I did not write a single line of code. Everything got generated just based off of my wireframe. So there you go. So you've developed this arcade game in less than 5 minutes. Let's see if it really hit the paddle. So that's actually functional. I thought it's not going to hit, but it eventually hit. And the good part is I completed the game in just 2 goes, maybe 3 goes. Let's just do this. Yep, that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful and informative, please consider subscribing my channel, and I'll try to make more and more informative videos like this. Until then, keep learning. Oops.